Right now, 85% of videos play on mute, and your content is getting scrolled past. Well, subtitles aren't optional, they're your secret weapon to 12x longer watch time. Now, what if you can auto-generate similar kinds of animated and engaging captions in just one click? This is quso.ai, or where AI does the heavy lifting so your content breaks through the silence. Firstly, sign up with a free account, then click on Generate AI Captions. Now, either upload your local video or just paste your YouTube link. For this demo, I am using one of our previous YouTube videos. With multiple caption styles, you have the option to choose the style you find most engaging and click Generate Captions. And that's it, now sit back and relax. The AI-generated auto subtitles are ready. Wait, there's more. Let's say the words are not matching. You can edit them here. Want to change the text effects? You can do it easily here. Want to add emojis? Just click here. Want to download the SRT file? Just click here. And that is how easy it is to generate AI subtitles with quso.ai. Now make your subtitles pop with fonts, emojis, or animations that dance to your audio. And stop begging for unmuted clicks. Let your words command attention.